Let's factor 4z to the fourth power plus 44z cubed plus 120z squared. Okay, in this problem, I'm going to check for a common factor first. 4, 44, and 120 are all divisible by 4. That makes 4 a common factor. Z to the fourth, z to the third, and z squared, all three terms have a z. They all have at least 2 z's in common. Right? This one has 4, this one has 3, this one has 2. So they all have at least 2 of them. So z to the second power is part of my common factor. Okay, so now I'm dividing out 4z squared from 4z to the fourth, and that would give me 1z to the second, right? So 4 divided by 4 is 1, z to the fourth divided by z squared is z squared. Okay, 44z to the third power, if I divided that by 4z squared to divide it out, that would give me 11z. 11z. And then 120z squared divided by 4z squared would give me 30. Positive 30. Okay, so now I have 4z squared times z squared plus 11z plus 30. I need to factor this part right here. And lucky for us, once you factored out 4z squared, there was an understood 1 in front of that z squared, which means we don't have to work this out through the full AC method. Okay, we can actually jump to the answer, the final form, pretty quickly. We just need to figure out the two numbers that will multiply together to be 30, but add together to be the middle number, 11. Okay, and the first two numbers that come to mind are 1 and 30. Those add up to 31. That's not good. 2 and 15 multiply to 30, but those add up to 17. 5 and 6. I guess I could have done 3 and 10, but I skipped that one. 5 and 6 add up to 11. Check. Positive 5, positive 6. Right? Again, because there is no number other than 1 sitting in front of that z squared, I can skip a few steps and get right to the final form. 4z squared times z plus 5 times z plus 6.